Did you notice that the sentiment score for film is sitting at a flat 0 right now, while momentum has jumped up by 0.28? This unusual disconnect suggests that while there's some positive movement in sentiment, it hasn't translated into a clear emotional response from viewers. With 19 semantic clusters, our API gives you a nuanced look at the conversation around films, allowing you to explore specific themes or sentiments in detail. Imagine using this insight to refine your marketing strategy for a new release. You could target specific audiences based on the emotional tone and thematic resonance emerging from our data. To dive deeper into this analysis and leverage our capabilities, visit pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs. Let's turn this data into actionable insights together.